NPP, we are too quick to hug and embrace people. And that is why they manage to hurt us the way they hurt us. That is why they manage to stab us in the back the way they do. Let's go to Okatakyi Efrifa. Ajwa Akwaba. Let's go to Okatakyi Efrifa. Why who name Okatakyi Efrifa no? Onini. This is Okatakyi Efrifa. Oh yeah. A journalist or a presenter. Now, it is important for me to talk about him tonight because he says something that I'm not in support of, and that I don't know you watching me this night. I don't know your stance, but I'm coming to tell my stance. When I give you the chance to come and also contribute, then you let us know what you think about it. Let's power tap and share the live. Let's power tap and share the live. If I like Snooker 10K, let's power tap. So we are coming to speak about Okatakyi Efrifa. Ebusianfo, one of the people who contributed to the downfall of NPP government, Okatakyi Efrifa. Okatakyi Efrifa is one of the people who contributed to the downfall of NPP. Ni pronouncement, any demonstrations bia Okatakyi Efrifa even in election year 2024. Yadom say, bro, you are right. Thank you. Even in election year 2024, Okatakyi Efrifa Mensa was still energizing people to go and do demonstration against Galamsey Accra. Ebra onu claim say NPP and the political party. Odum just say you are so right. He claims say NPP and the political party, but he was doing a demonstration at the NPP even in the election year. You claim say Akufo Addo na umpe, but from 2023, the leader of NPP was no more Akufo Addo. It was Bawumia. You did not care about that. Now why yes sir say NPP about opposition? Then you think say you have the moral right to attack somebody who is serving this party, who has been through this party with this party through thick and thin, like Paul Yandoh. Say Paul Yandoh onyenyenye kra. Yepenusa. Okatakyi is not politically wise. Thank you, Nketia, for that comment. Me see, Dr. Tofom says that yes, he was in bed with Ralph and Oliver. Enukre. Okatakyi, even in election year, he did not care about the party. Now, why am I fuming about Okatakyi Nyumrewe? We're starting for the records, US or Otino. Now, for the records, Nemono, Wakasembi. Let's listen to why I am angry and annoyed with Okatakyi this evening.
Opesa we ye comedy. Appear stadium to way or ye comedy for political sake in the and he is surviving. He is okay. But you cannot occupy a position as Asante Regional Communications Director of the New Patriotic Party. And anytime you better on come radio and TV so no. Then it's about concert. Yafro Asante Regional Communications Director, National Discourse, Brabe Kebi. Akawoka say it should be clear with the direction the nation is going. What did you know that the concert? And I go to no home bonia juma, and I go to na bay home, so they couldn't be here. You don't.
So Ebusianfo, let's hear it for the last time.
Opesa we ye comedy. Appear stadium to way or ye comedy for political sake in the and he is surviving. He is okay. But you cannot occupy a position as Asante Regional Communications Director of the New Patriotic Party. And anytime you better on come radio and TV so no. Then it's about concert. Yafrao Asante Regional Communications Director, National Discourse, Brabe Kebi. Akawoka say it should be clear with the direction the nation is going.
AY, thanks for liking. Esther says he is fake. Esther, I agree with you. For this is Okatakyi, and this is why I'm angry with him. Okatakyi Efrifa is bold enough today because despite everything he did, despite he being one of the reasons today we are in opposition, we have embraced him. Say enyeshi, prodigal son, one year, but come back. Doc, he was talking about Leavɛ Paul Yandoh, Ashanti Regional Communication Director of NPP. Say Paul Yandoh, no, like I said, Paul Yandoh is not worthy of being a regional communication director. Ejuma Paul Yandoh, Ayama, NPP, no. Okatakyi, have you done some? When you were busy plotting and planning with the likes of Oliver, any Ralph Mono, Paul Yandoh was busy defending this political party. Even if you, Okatakyi, you think, sir, you are a better communicator than Paul Yandoh now, you don't have the right to criticize him in that manner. If it is a comical statement, krana, oko na ko radio show nko ko ye krana, enfa wo ho ye penisa. Sometimes we need people who will stick with us, who will stick with the party through thick and thin. Those are the people that we should acknowledge. And you will be our feelings or you're gifted or you're talented and party no here no more than or no here party no. The number of times Okatakyi, you even respected Akudo Addo to call him Mr. President or Your Excellency, it can be counted. Let me play to you some of the tapes of Okatakyi, bruh, NPP or power. When NPP was in power, it was as if Okatakyi was an enemy of NPP. Right? And then yes, I about opposition. You are coming to tell us who should be Ashanti Regional Communication Director or who should not be. How dare you? You see?
And then may I address Akudo Addo differently.
Can you hear?
Because for so many years I have been attacking you, President Akudo Addo. I remember first who win the election.
You see? He himself in this tape admits say he has attacked Akudo Addo for so many years. Okatakyi no. He made it any duty to be attacking Akudo Addo. Now why attacking Akudo Addo? Is it not NPP you are attacking? Was Akudo Addo not leading NPP in government? So you think the damage you were doing to Akudo Addo, no? You were doing it to only Akudo Addo, the person of Akudo Addo. Akudo Addo who was in his second term and was going to retirement, no? You caused the defeat of this party. You are a contributing factor. You are. You are a contributing factor. And so, the people who were with our party, when we were in power, and things were not all rosy, don't come and speak and dampen their spirit. Don't come and do that. We love you. We appreciate you. We love that you are back into a new patriotic party. But please, if a party be cry, you Okatakyi, with all you have done, with all you have said, with all your clips available to in the public domain, a political party like NPP, we should have actually said, say, you cannot be any leader for at least some years in the party. Yeah. What things have you not said? There were even times that you, Okatakyi, now you went to studio with Snap, so you You did all those things. When you were doing this, it was the likes of Paul Yandoh that were standing firm and defending NPP. When you were pouring libation, our studio said, Ubu Akufo Addo Diano. Paul Yandoh, they were defending NPP. When NPP became less attractive to Ghanaians, Paul Yandoh, they were defending NPP. So now that you are back, please, respect yourself. If you want to be with us, but do not attack anybody in the party. Papa say he's becoming unbecoming. Rex say thank you. Yadom say he's also insulted by me left and right. Oh, I see. Have you come back to destroy the party more than you have done when you were in power? See, sometimes the only reason why some of you we hype you is because anybody that is NPP, we would celebrate you, we will support you. That is it. It's not as if you are doing anything ahead of anything peculiar. If you had these things to do, this for the records, not to do, no. It was when we were in power that it was more needed. When Akufo Addo was carrying out projects and it was not being spoken about enough, that was when for the records was needed. But what were you doing then? You were castigating NPP. What were you doing then? You were sabotaging NPP. You were speaking against NPP. You were organizing demonstrations against NPP government. So when we decide to forgive and forget, you don't come and start acting like a saint, because we don't have short memory. Me see, NPP mono. Yeah, we don't have anterograde and retrograde amnesia. We don't have it. Ebia NDC for more short memory no, and I say anterograde and retrograde amnesia. Ebia NDC for now more short memory. But yen ILT NPP mude, we remember pa. We remember the things you've done to us. We remember how negatively your communication affected your government. How unpopular you made Akufo Addo government. Let's listen to one last tape from Okatakyi River.
Ghana for so no Nebuchadnezzar behavior pepepe. Now your bedroom pempensuobia. We no longer can accept what Akufo Addo is doing, and the only thing that can save Akufo Addo Kenuforiya Tane say, or no Akufo Addo no, either he goes or we, the people, will find a way to march into the Flagstaff House and take him out.
So you see, let's listen again to Okatakyi. This was when NPP was in power. Your so-called NPP. The NPP you claim today that you love so much.
Ghana for so no Nebuchadnezzar behavior pepepe. Now your bedroom pempensuobia. We no longer can accept what Akufo Addo is doing, and the only thing that can save Akufo Addo Kenuforiya Tane say, or no Akufo Addo no, either he goes or we, the people, will find a way to march into the Flagstaff House and take him out.
So, you see, you heard for yourselves. Number one, Okatakyi, you are not really principled. And the reason I'm saying that you are not really principled is because you claim, say, you have been NPP ever since. But what did you do? You went working for an NDC channel, TVSYZ. Me and Miti Hano, a common dimikra. I will never ever work for an NDC radio station and a TV station. Now, whilst working for NDC TV, no, you went to the extent, say, Okatakyi is the one who started calling Akufo Addo King Nebuchadnezzar. Okatakyi, you are the one who started calling Akufo Addo King Nebuchadnezzar. The tape I just played, listen to the things he said. These were serious issues of even national security concern. I tell you, Jomama Bre Huesuna, Okatakyi Assembly say they will march the youth to Flagstaff House to go and take Akufo, to go and take Mahama out. And by now, Black Maria. But this was how you were instigating the youth, instigating Ghanaians against Akufo Addo. Now why you winning now you lose election portoa and you are back say, oh, you are coming back to your party. The best you can do is to sit quietly and contribute whatever you have for us to return to power. Don't come in and be attacking individuals in the party. That we will not allow you to do. Paul Yandoh qualifies to be a communicator. His communication has been excellent. We love his communication. Obia was a unique star. Sometimes when I'm communicating, I love to crack jokes. I love to act funny. It is a way of sometimes getting the communication across to our viewers and our listeners. We have been with this party ever since. And we have the moral right. We have the moral right. NPP Youths, we are too quick to open our arms to people. I remember Congress. To raise tribalism is killing them, bro. Auntie Abraham Noma said, Okatakyi has no shame. NPP, we are too quick to hug and embrace people. And that is why they manage to hurt us the way they hurt us. That is why they manage to stab us in the back the way they do. Congress in Ayekoyeno. When you look at the way NPP4 were acting around Okatakyi, I say, like we have not seen his type before. We are quick to forgive people. So that is it about Okatakyi Afrifa. Ebusianfo.